Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. In today's video, we have the incredible 2026 Audi RS Q8, the ultimate performance SUV that blends power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology into one amazing package. From its striking exterior to its high-tech interior, this SUV delivers an unmatched driving experience. Let's jump right in and see why the Audi RS Q8 is making waves in the world of performance SUVs. 2026 Audi RS Q8 This SUV's design is pure performance from every angle. The aggressive and wide stance immediately tells you this is no ordinary SUV. Audi's signature single-frame grille dominates the front, paired with large air intakes that enhance airflow and provide a more athletic look. The sharp, angular LED matrix headlights not only look stunning but also offer superior illumination, adapting to road conditions for maximum visibility. As we move to the sides, you'll notice the sculpted lines and bold wheel arches that give the RS Q8 a muscular, powerful profile. The sleek, aerodynamic design reduces drag, enhancing performance while maintaining that iconic Audi sophistication. The 22-inch alloy wheels are just the right size to complete this aggressive look, providing both style and functionality. The rear of the RS Q8 is equally striking with its signature LED taillights and a wide, powerful rear bumper. The quad exhaust tips complete the performance aesthetic, leaving no doubt about the power that lies beneath the hood. The exterior of the RS Q8 isn't just for show, it's designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience on every road. The 2026 Audi RS Q8 doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an incredible 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse allows the RS Q8 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, that's quicker than some sports cars. It's paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring that all that power is sent to the ground with precision and stability. Whether you're on winding mountain roads or a straight highway, the RS Q8 handles it all with ease. The air suspension system ensures that the ride is both comfortable and dynamic, while the adaptive dampers allow you to adjust the ride to suit your preferences. When it comes to performance, the RS Q8 stands at the top of its class. 2026 Audi RS Q8 and as expected, Audi does not compromise on luxury and technology. The cabin is a perfect balance of sportiness and refinement, with premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents that enhance the RS Q8's performance-focused interior. The front seats are sport buckets, offering excellent support during aggressive driving, while the rear seats ensure comfort for passengers. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system sits seamlessly in the center console, offering intuitive controls for navigation, media, and climate functions. Audi's virtual cockpit is a standout feature here, with a fully digital display that can be customized to show everything from speed to navigation and driving modes. It's like having a personalized dashboard that adapts to your needs. The RS Q8 is equipped with a Bang & Olufsen sound system, providing incredible audio quality that will make any drive feel like a concert on wheels. Plus, with features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll stay connected no matter where you go. The interior also includes high-end materials like leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and plenty of tech options that elevate the driving experience, whether you're in the driver's seat or relaxing as a passenger. To recap, the 2026 Audi RS Q8 is the perfect combination of aggressive performance and luxurious design. From its powerful 591 horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine and breathtaking acceleration to its sculpted exterior and cutting-edge tech, every detail of this SUV is engineered for perfection. If you're looking for a performance SUV that doesn't compromise on luxury, style, or power, the 2026 Audi RS Q8 is your ultimate choice. With its unmatched driving performance, stunning exterior, and luxurious interior, it sets a new standard for what an SUV can be. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our car reviews. Stay tuned for more amazing car content, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive safe and enjoy the ride. Where performance meets luxury, Dream Cars, your go-to channel for the world's finest automobiles.